Thank you for renting BodyFlow. BodyFlow may have been recommended by your surgeon or physiotherapist as part of your recovery protocol. BodyFlow is a unique form of electrotherapy. It is safe and certified. It supplies a mild electrical current to the tissue around the joint. This stimulation may help healing by increasing blood flow and removal of fluid swelling. BodyFlow is used globally by surgeons, hospitals, physiotherapists and elite sports teams. Throughout this film we will explain the following: what should be included within the rental package, safety measures, how to set up and use the unit safely, the treatment itself, what to expect, and what happens at the end of the loan period. So, what should be included within the rental package? Inside the box you have the BodyFlow portable unit, the leads, red and black, the charger, electrotherapy pads for the treatment, and the manual. There are a list of health contraindications that your surgeon or physiotherapist would have gone through prior to recommending this treatment. A list of those contraindications is also contained within the manual. Before we commence treatment, we need to ensure that the unit is fully charged. This takes about 12 hours with the mains charger. You'll note a green indicator light will come on the charger when it's ready to go. The unit will then need recharging every 48 hours. Please note the unit will not operate while still attached to the mains charger. So we attach the leads to the unit like so. Place the pads in the correct place. We're doing a knee placement for this demonstration. Please see the diagram on screen or refer to the accompanying manual for correct pad placements. These refer to all treatment areas that BodyFlow therapy can be safely used. It is advisable, if the area is hairy, to shave the area where the pads will be situated. This will aid the treatment and make the pad removal more comfortable. There are two channels, one black, one red. One will run on the inside of the limb, one will run on the outside of the limb. We never cross the channels. More about this and how to place the pads is contained within the manual. We're now ready to turn on the unit and begin the treatment. We attach the leads, red on the inside, black on the outside. We're now ready to turn on the unit. So we hold the bottom button down for 5 seconds, release. It defaults to standard, which we enter with the center button. We now have our duration, 20 minutes, our battery life and our 2 channels measured in milliamps. Each channel has a minus and also a plus, and to commence the treatment we need to take the plus on both channels up to an area where it is strong but comfortable. So as you can see, I'm taking it up. For a healthy individual, we want to get so that we can see how the treatment feels. Again, it needs to be strong but comfortable. We should get a slight muscular twitch as we do so. For advice on any of the operation of the unit, intensities and treatment protocols, please refer back to the manual. The unit will automatically run for 20 minutes, 20-minute treatment. At the end of this, it will switch itself off and reset the channels back to 0. If at any point you want to stop the treatment, rather than the recommended 20 minutes, you can do so just by holding the bottom button down for 5 seconds. The unit will now reset itself and take both channels back to 0. Recommended treatment is 4 to 6 20-minute treatments per day, as would have been recommended by your surgeon or physiotherapist. Once the unit is switched off, remove the pads and place carefully on the plastic with the side that says on, like so. And this will prolong the life of the pad and get them ready for the next treatment. Loosely wrap the leads and pads around the unit, ready for the next treatment, and place back into the case. At the end of the rental period, we remove the leads, dispose of the pads as they're patient specific, ensure that the unit, charger, leads and manual are back in the pack, and place it back in the box, ready for collection. If, however, you feel towards the end of the 28-day rental period you'd like to extend it, please contact us through the web page that you can see on screen. Thank you once again for choosing BodyFlow.